In this video, I will be discussing about the types of the ELISA. ELISA is an immunological technique which is used to detect various infections. So there are four major types of ELISA: direct ELISA, indirect ELISA, sandwich ELISA, and competitive ELISA. First, we will discuss about the direct ELISA. In direct ELISA, we first use this antigen incubate in the well. Then after we use primary antibody enzyme liquid. Then after we wash and use substrate for that particular enzyme and see the results. Then after indirect ELISA. In indirect ELISA, we first use incubate this antigen or a blood sample. Then after we use primary antibody. Then after we use secondary antibody enzyme liquid, and then we use substrate for that particular enzyme and wash the product and see the results. The one of the difference between the direct and indirect ELISA is that in direct ELISA we use this only primary antibody. In indirect ELISA we use this secondary and primary antibody, both secondary and primary antibody. These are some difference between direct and indirect ELISA. Then after there is another type, sandwich ELISA. In sandwich ELISA, we first incubate an antibody. Then after we use this antigen or a blood sample. Then after we use antibody, secondary antibody enzyme liquid. Then after we wash and see use the substrate for that particular enzyme and wash the tube and see the results. If there is an infection, then it will be detected here. This is same as the sandwich, by the name sandwich. First one slice, then a cream between a slice, then after another slice here. That's why it's called the sandwich ELISA. Slice, cream, and another slice. Antibody, antigen, another antibody. This sandwich ELISA is also used in pregnancy kits to detect whether the lady is pregnant or not. Then after competitive ELISA. In competitive ELISA, we first mix up the antigen and antibody. Then after we use a well, then use an antigen or a blood sample here. Then add this mixture to this well tube. Then after use the secondary antibody with enzyme linked and use the same procedure as here. These were some types of ELISA. In next videos I will discuss more and more techniques. Thank you for watching.